noises? No. Pyramid. Mountain. No. That's what it looks like.
Defecating.
As bad as is gonna play. Oh, headache. Headache. Oh, no. It said place on forehead.
Buffalo. Sloth. Turtle. Tortoise.
Yes. That's a part of turtle.
Breakfast was good.
Breakfast was all right.
It was alright.
We are now
We had good sandwiches.
at
The 27 Waterfalls.
27 Waterfalls.
Hola, hola, welcome. Hola, Coca-Cola. Yeah.
We're done. How'd you like the 27 Waterfalls?
Oh, it was great. I loved it.
You're so
the
dry.
water's just
Why?
cold.
It's so freezing.
It's just cold, but
you
my
just
body
got out of the water.
My
Look how
body
dry you are.
heat dried it off.
Wow, your hair's not even wet. Look at that.
I'm telling you, I'm hot.
No, we're going back because there's too much water and my phone is splash proof, not waterproof. We're afraid of recording. It's not waterproof. Oh, what? Where'd you? What? You gonna take video? All right, so he's gonna have a couple of videos that he's gonna record.
Yeah, we did it. ¡Lo hicimos! ¡Ay, cansados! No te preocupes. Hello, Ana. Hello, chica, ladies. Hello. Hola, hola.
We just got back from the waterfalls. Cold as heck.
But it was fun as heck.
But it was a lot of fun.
Shout out to Myra.
Tonki, why do you keep calling her Myra, dude?
I don't know. I always call her Myra.
It's not Myra.
Okay, shout out to Tonki/Myra.
There we go.
Mira.
No, there's no slash. I'm eating though. That's the reason why I'm walking out. Look at this. Just want you to take a look at this.
I'm about to crack one of those open.
This is gross. This is a new. What is this called?
It's a uterus. Remember?
What is it called? What is it called?
Oh.
Granadilla.
Granadilla.
Granadina.
Granadillas. Granadilla. It tastes really good. It has these seeds covered with goo.
Just pop that thing open like an egg.
Like it has these testicles inside. You see that? It's testicles.
It has testicles. Is that what you said?
It looks like it has testicles.
What the heck are you saying? You said testicles.
Isn't it testicles?
Nutsack.
Tentacles.
You said testicles.
What's inside your head, man?
Hey, bro, do you think you can kick that to the other side?
I think so.
Take one.
I think I can kick from there to here. Let's go.
Oh, I got a better idea. And it won't break a window. From that tree to the top hole.
Top.
To the top hole, right there.
Oh, really?
All right, he's literally gonna try to make it from that one palm tree right there to that circle right there on that building. Let's go if he actually has the skills that he brags about.
I don't brag, man.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll block this window at least.
You ready? Bro, top. Oh, you almost broke that window, bro. That's the second try, guys. I don't know if we have faith in this guy.
Third try.
What's that, 5? Peter, you remember that?
Oh!
The one and only Pedro Choquito. Choquito.
Let's go eat.